Are you struggling to ask questions in English? Don't worry, let's learn together. What questions are usually used to ask questions? Who is used to ask about a person? What is used to ask about things? Where is used to ask about a place? When is used to ask about time? Why is used to ask about a reason? And how is used to ask about the way? First, let's talk about who questions. As we know, who is used to ask about people. There are three common ways to use it. First, who does an action. Next, who is doing an action. Finally, who is a person. Let's start with who does an action, with some simple examples. The family lives in a small house. The father cooks breakfast every day. A house helper cleans the house. The mother takes care of the children. Who cooks breakfast every day? The father cooks breakfast every day. Who cleans the house? A house helper cleans the house. Who takes care of the children? The mother takes care of the children. We are done with who does an action. Now let's look at who is doing an action. It is evening on the street. A man is selling vegetables. A woman is waiting for the bus. Tom and Sarah are playing football. Who is selling vegetables? A man is selling vegetables. Who is waiting for the bus? A woman is waiting for the bus. Who are playing football? Tom and Sarah are playing football. We're done with the first two ways. Now let's look at the third way. Who is the person? This is a school. Mr. John is the teacher. Emma is a student. Tom is the class monitor. Who is the teacher? Mr. John is the teacher. Who is a student? Emma is a student. Who is the class monitor? Tom is the class monitor. Next, let's look at what questions. What questions are also used in three common ways. First, what does someone do? Next, what is happening now? Finally, what is this or that? Let's start with what does someone do, with some simple examples. After school, Nancy plays video games. Emma studies in the evening. Tara helps her mother in the kitchen. What does Nancy do after school? Nancy plays video games. What does Emma do in the evening? Emma studies in the evening. What does Tara do in the kitchen? Tara helps her mother in the kitchen. We're done with what does someone do. Now let's look at what is happening now. It is evening at home. The father is cooking. The mother is watching TV. The children are doing homework. What is the father doing? He is cooking. What is the mother doing? She is watching TV. What are the children doing? They are doing homework. We're done with the first two. Now let's look at the final one. What is this or that? What is this? This is a bottle. What is that under the shelf? That is a box. What is near the door? A bag is near the door. Next, let's look at where questions. They are mainly used to ask about place. There are three common ways to use where. First, where is something? Next, where is someone? Finally, where does someone do something? Let's start with where is something, with some simple examples. This is a living room. Where is the bag? The bag is on the sofa. Where is the phone? The phone is on the table. Where are the keys? The keys are near the door. We're done with where is something. Now let's look at where is someone. 3 students are at school in the morning. In the afternoon, they visit a cafe. In the evening, they play in the park. Where are they in the morning? They are at school. Where are they in the afternoon? They are at a cafe. Where are they in the evening? They are in the park. Now we're done with the first 2. Let's look at the third one. Max relaxes at home. She shops at the mall. She watches movie at the theater. Where does Max relax in the morning? She relaxes at home. Where does she shop? She shops at the mall. Where does she watch movie? She watches movie at the theater. Next, let's look at when questions. When questions are usually used to talk about time. There are 2 common ways to use when. First, when does something happen? Then, when does someone do something? Let's start with when does something happen? With some simple examples. School starts in the morning. Lunch break is at noon. Students go home in the evening. When does school start? It starts in the morning. When is lunch break? It is at noon. When do students go home? They go home in the evening. We're done with the first one. Now let's look at when does someone do something. Tom wakes up at 5:45 a.m. He jogs at 6 a.m. He starts work at 9 a.m. When does Tom wake up? Tom wakes up at 5:45 a.m. When does Tom jog? He jogs at 6 a.m. When does he start work? He starts work at 9 a.m. A quick recap. Sarah goes jogging in the park at 6 a.m. Who goes jogging? Sarah goes jogging. What does Sarah do? Sarah goes jogging. Where does she go jogging? She goes jogging in the park. When does she go jogging? She goes jogging at 6 a.m.